Welcome to Marshmallow and Mochi English Studio. We're so glad you're here in our studio today. So, where do you want to eat tonight?
Actually, I want to go somewhere nicer.
Oh,
Did that sound bad?
a little. It felt kind of sharp.
Sharp?
Like you were correcting me.
Can I try again?
Sure.
I was hoping for somewhere a little cozier.
Yes, that feels so much warmer. Actually sounds aggressive. I was hoping for sounds softer. Which do you say? You said actually and everything went cold.
What? I just wanted to say something.
I know, but the way it landed, something shifted.
I do not understand. I use actually all the time.
That is the problem.
Okay, wait. Tell me exactly what happened.
We were planning dinner. You said, actually, I want to go somewhere nicer.
Yeah, I just meant I had a preference.
But actually, at the start, it sounds like you are correcting me, like my idea was wrong.
Really? I did not mean it like that at all.
Native speakers hear that word and they feel a small push, a tiny disagreement.
Even in casual conversation?
Especially then on a date when things are soft and warm, it actually cuts through that.
Oh, I never noticed that before.
Actually comes with energy. It says the previous idea was incomplete or wrong.
Like a correction.
Exactly. Even when you do not mean it that way, the listener feels it.
So it sounds annoyed? Or like I am annoyed?
Both. It can sound like frustration or like you are tired of something, even when you are totally calm inside.
That is scary. I say it everywhere.
Most learners do, because actually is a real word. It is correct, but the emotional weight is heavy. So let me show you some warmer options.
Please.
Instead of, actually, I want somewhere nicer, try, I was hoping for somewhere cozier.
I was hoping for that. That sounds gentle.
It does. It expresses a preference without pushing back. Or try, I was thinking maybe somewhere quieter.
I was thinking maybe. That feels soft.
And if you want to be even more casual, what about trying somewhere different tonight?
What about trying? That sounds fun.
3 options, all warmer, all more natural for a date.
What about texting? I text actually all the time.
Same problem, maybe worse, because text has no tone, no smile, no warmth.
So it just feels cold?
Exactly. Imagine getting a message that says, actually, I was busy.
Oh, that sounds angry.
Right, but try. I was actually pretty busy that day. The word is softer in the middle.
Because it is not starting the sentence.
Yes, position matters. Actually, at the beginning signals a correction. In the middle, it softens. Let us compare. I will say 2 versions. You tell me which feels warmer.
Okay.
Actually, I prefer tea. Version 2, I was thinking tea sounds good tonight.
Definitely. It feels like an invitation.
Good. One more. Actually, I do not like crowded places. I was hoping for somewhere quieter, to be honest.
The second one, so much softer. You can feel the difference.
Exactly. Same meaning, completely different feeling. Now let us practice together. Repeat after me. I was hoping for somewhere cozier. I was hoping for somewhere cozier. I was thinking maybe somewhere quieter. I was thinking maybe somewhere quieter. What about trying something different tonight? What about trying something different tonight? I was actually pretty busy that day. I was actually pretty busy that day.
I can feel how different that is. It is warmer, less like arguing.
That is exactly it. English is not just words, it is the feeling around the words.
I want to sound that natural.
You already do. That last sentence sounded completely natural.
Really?
Really? That sounds natural now.
Thanks for watching.
English is not just words.
It's feelings too.